Okay, what we're going to do today is that we're going to fix this sunroof. Well, there's nothing wrong with this sunroof besides that I keep forgetting to close it, right? That's my problem. And so I wanted this sunroof will close every time I hit my lock button here. That was my solution. I wanted this sunroof will close every time I hit my lock button, right? So yeah, let's do that. So to begin, you're gonna have to go look for the wire. So we have to take this thing, the switches off. So to take it off, you're gonna have to take this cover first. Once you take this cover, the bulb cover out, and then the screw will exposed. So to remove this glass, you have to press it here and then pry it with the screwdriver. Yeah. So when you press it this way, and then in this side you pry it with the screwdriver, and it should come out like this. So after you take the glass off, after you take this glass off, right, there's a screw over there and over here. So there's two screws that you have to take out. Okay, so after you get the screw out, it should pull out like that. Alright, so I finally found the wires, and I finally made it work. So you're gonna need a gray wire hooked up to the positive. There's two gray wires here, the small one right here and the big one that you need hooked up. This wire hooked up to my relay, it's right there, and to my lock signal. So as soon I press this lock signal here, right, sunroof should close. There you go, right? That's it. At least it works. Alright, so it's finally done. So the sunroof is open, right? And it should close as soon I lock the vehicle, right? So close the door. Sunroof is open. As soon as I press the lock button here, it should close. There you go. And that's it. So no more worries about me forgetting the sunroof open, right? So every time I lock my car, in case I open my sunroof, it will close automatically. Thank you for watching.